Getting started with Fitbit.
Whether you have a Fitbit device or just the mobile app, you can start monitoring your movement today. In this guide, you'll learn how to set up your Fitbit, use the app, and make sure your steps are recorded accurately.
Setting up your Fitbit device.
Begin by charging your Fitbit and downloading the free Fitbit app on your smartphone. Open the app and follow the prompts to create an account or log in. Pair your Fitbit with your phone via Bluetooth. The app will help you complete the connection and update any necessary software.
Enabling step tracking.
Once your Fitbit is set up, step tracking starts automatically. The device's sensors detect movement as you walk or run. Open the Fitbit app and view your dashboard. The step count is displayed front and center, updating throughout the day. Explore the activity section for a more detailed breakdown.
Improving step tracking accuracy.
For best results, wear your Fitbit correctly on your wrist, snug but comfortable. In the app's settings, check that your personal details, such as height and stride length, are accurate. This helps your Fitbit convert your movements into step counts more precisely.
Checking your progress and setting goals.
Monitor your daily, weekly, or monthly step statistics in the Fitbit app. Set step goals, receive friendly reminders, and celebrate milestones. Tap into challenges and connect with friends for extra motivation. Over time, you can use your step data to build healthier habits and track your progress toward fitness goals.